Hey everyone, thanks for getting locked in with Key. This is your girl Key, and in the new episode of Love Key, I am going to be vlogging my experience in getting a colonic. Y'all, I am so nervous. So I'm about to go in here. Y'all pray for me, but I am going to take y'all along on my journey to actually get a colonic. This is my first time, so I am so nervous. Let's go. All right, so I'm in the room. I'm whispering because I'm nervous. But I'm in the room and this big machine is what I'm about to get on. So y'all, this is the machine I am about to get on. So this is the little thing that goes into you. And on the movies, they make it seem like it's like this horrible big tube, but it's not. All right, ladies, I am on it. And it's not that uncomfortable, but it is uncomfortable at the same time. So I'm just going to sit here and listen to some music. And I'm about to call him in so he can start the procedure. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Wish me luck. Alright, so before I rest for today, and I get settled, I just want to come on here and let y'all know how I felt about the colonic. So, first things first, I really felt like it was awkward. Like for your first time, it's going to be really, really awkward. It did not hurt. The only thing that I did not like is like I am very type A. So like they have this little tube that I showed y'all on the previously. So they have this little tube and it goes up your bottom. And it doesn't go far up there, but it pushes water into you. And the water goes into your colon. And it basically pushes up, which makes you feel like you have to go to the bathroom. Now, I'm not talking about any ordinary, just I have to go to the bathroom. It's more like I have to go to the bathroom the diarrhea type of, type of pressure. So it's like you got to go immediately. So that made me uncomfortable because it felt like my bottom was like soaking, if that makes sense, in my waist. And that part was uncomfortable. So I did 45 minutes and it was cool. I definitely feel lighter. I feel clean. I would definitely do it again. Definitely will do it again. However, for the first time, if you're a type A person, warning, because they don't tell, like he didn't really tell you that you would feel your waist. I just thought that I would feel water and then the pressure. I always thought that like my waist would go in some type of magical tube. But boy, was I wrong, because baby, it came out. Like it really came out. And I wouldn't mind doing it again. I think I'll definitely do it again. I do feel lighter down here in my stomach region. Even right now, I feel like my stomach has lost some little fat. But overall, definitely do it again. But however, if you're type A like me, warning, you will feel everything coming out. Like you will have to press, you will have to make everything come out, but you will not see it come out. The machine I was on, you couldn't see it come out. So yeah, overall, I would do it again. And if you are interested in getting a colonic, y'all go for it. It's like, it doesn't hurt. All it is water going up your body. It's nothing else, no other chemicals. So yeah, I highly recommend. If you are looking for some more tips, hygiene, beauty, lifestyle, decor, and recipes, continue to follow my channel. If you have not followed by now, go ahead and subscribe. And again, I want to thank you all for tuning in and getting locked with Key. Always, all of my videos are made with love. Key.